this ready?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going.
So this week we did the He Goes Promenade and the She Goes Promenade, and we'll show those both. It goes like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
He goes promenade. 1, 2, 3, 4. She goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Important points are when you go, you're staying in line with each other's feet.
And leaders, your hand is going to slide around so that you can square off with your partner. And when you guys get back and close, you're back here.
We did the 8 count basic.
And that looks like
this.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1,
2, 3, and 4.
Open it.
6,
7
7.
and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. Close it. 7 and 8.
Let's do it from a different angle real quick.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And that's that.
Thank you.
Practice.
Press the